Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna and noodles. This classic comfort food is incredibly simple to prepare, perfect for a quick weeknight meal. We will start by gathering just a few basic ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. You will need one 12-ounce can of tuna, 8 ounces of egg noodles, and 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Let's get cooking. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's get cooking. First, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add your 8 ounces of egg noodles. Cook them for about 7 to 10 minutes, or until they are perfectly al dente. Simultaneously, in a separate medium saucepan, whisk together the cream of mushroom soup with 1/2 cup of milk. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until it is warm and smooth. With your noodles cooked and your sauce warmed, it is time to bring everything together for that delicious, creamy texture. Carefully drain the cooked egg noodles in a colander, ensuring all excess water is removed. Next, open and thoroughly drain your 12-ounce can of tuna, then gently flake it apart with a fork. Finally, add both the drained noodles and the flaked tuna directly into your warm, creamy sauce. Now for the final, satisfying step. Gently stir all of the ingredients together in the saucepan until the tuna and noodles are completely and evenly coated with that rich, creamy sauce. Take a moment to taste and adjust the seasoning, adding salt and black pepper as desired. For a touch of color and freshness, sprinkle in a pinch of dried parsley. Serve your warm, comforting tuna and noodles immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.